Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to use Excalidraw with the Claude Excalidraw connector. This setup makes it easier to create diagrams, share visual ideas, and collaborate with AI directly inside your workflow. On your Claude AI dashboard, if you want to connect or use Excalidraw, all you have to do is click Customize in the middle left part of your dashboard. Once you see that, just click it. From here, click the Connectors section, then search for Excalidraw. As you can see, no connectors are found. To add one, all you have to do is click Browse Connectors, then type Excalidraw and select it from the results. This is the connector we are looking for. All you have to do is click on it and then click Connect. Once Excalidraw is connected, we can start using it right away. We can use the diagram tool, build out diagrams, and add tools as needed. We can also export Excalidraw files, save checkpoints, and use it as a connector inside Claude AI. The purpose of this is to connect Excalidraw with the cloud so we can turn ideas into visual diagrams, organize projects more effectively, and improve brainstorming with AI assistance. And that's it. We now know how to use Excalidraw with the Excalidraw connector.